Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can add a custom domain to your website which is hosted on Google Drive. Now you can host your website on Google Drive for free. Okay, you don't have to pay any penny for that, and it's totally free. Now those of you guys who don't know how to host your website on Google Drive, the link is given in the description. Go check out and host one now. So now coming to the point, now I'm gonna show you how to add a custom domain. Now for a custom domain, I'm not gonna pay any penny for a custom domain. The domain will be free, so you guys can also do it for free. So for that, you guys need to go to a website which is Freenom, and it provides free domains. I don't know why, but they provide with extensions like TK, GA, FA, and like that. Okay, so they don't sound like that much good, so that's why they are free, I think. Okay, so for that, what you guys need to do is to first of all change your folder name which you have previously created, which the folder which contain your website. Change it to the domain which you are going to use. So in my case, I'm going to use the GA one because the TK one is not available. I don't know why. So I'm going to use this www.myname.ga. Okay, so you need to change this first, and then rest of the work you have to do. Okay, now follow me. You guys need to open your link first of all, which is provided by Drv.tw, provided to you, and you had bookmarked it. In some cases, from you guys, some who do not save this link, you need to get this link. Now how you can get this link, I'm showing you. Okay, so to get this link, you just need to type drv.tw. okay, drv.tw, and hit enter, and click host on Google Drive, and you need to select your email on which your website is hosted. Okay, it will fetch your data. Now you can host websites like static one, not the other one. Drive. Now here you can see it fetched all the now you can see this is my link to the website. If I click here, it opens my website which is hosted on my Google Drive. Okay, you can see. Okay, now what you guys need to do, you guys need this link very much. Okay, so now you need to go to Freenom, sign up, login, and then click register a new domain. Okay, simple as that. Now after that, when the page will come, you need to select the name of your website folder, or the URL you want, or a custom domain. Just paste it there and check availability. Now you will find a lot of TK, ML, CF, and these free domains, but for mine there is GA and GQ. I'm using GA for free, so get it now. And after that, you need to click checkout, and now you need to select the time period for which you are gonna register your domain, your free domain. So it's 12 months for free. Okay, so here, okay, and click continue. And agree this terms and condition and complete order. Now you guys don't need to pay anything for this. It don't ask for your credit card details or like that. It's totally free, and you just have to follow these steps which I am doing. Okay, now it's saying thank you for your order, information, email. Now order is complete. Just go to client area and click my domains, and you can see that the domain is registered successfully. Now you need to click manage domain in order to put this domain on your Google Drive hosted website. So for that you need to click name servers and click use default name servers. After that you need to click manage freenome DNS, and after that you need to add a record, and you need to add CNAME, which will be www, and the target will be the link of your website. So it should not be the whole link, only the part which I'm showing you. Just select that carefully and copy and paste it on the target field. Okay, just paste it there. Okay, and now save the changes. You can see the record is added successfully, and now it will take some time to make it working. It depends totally on the freenome servers. It may take 2 to 4 hours or 30 minutes or a whole day. So just go back to domain settings and let's see if this is working. I don't think so. It works that fast. Yeah, you can see it's not working right now, but we will check it later on. Okay, now let's see our website is working or not. So just search the domain and hit enter, and now you can see that our website had a custom domain. Okay, so as you can see, this is our custom domain, and which we have added in the freenome. Now our website is working pretty much good, and everything is working fine. And now you guys can see here the thing which is like your connection to the site is not secure. I want to make my free website secure. I want to add SSL. Now how to do that? Let's do it. Okay, so for that you guys need to go to cloudflare.com, okay, and add your website. Now I'm just copying this from here and pasting it, and I'm adding my website. Wait a minute, just like that. Okay, add, enter your, wait a minute. Okay, paste it. Again, it's asking a domain name. Okay. Now we will use the free one because we are going free till now. We don't want to buy anything or any stuff. So guys, we are adding SSL security to our free website which is hosted on Google Drive. Okay, so let me just open our freenom as well because we need it. Okay, we are signed in here, and go to our domains, and yeah, this is our domain. Just go to manage. Now let's see. Okay, our CNAME record is already added. If it's not there for you guys, you just need to click add and select type to CNAME record, and type here www, and select the target as before, which is in your link, and paste it here. Okay, but it is already there, so I'm not gonna do this, so I'm just deleting this. Okay, so the record you need to add is this one, text record you need to add. Okay, so select the txt, as you can see here, and its name should be www, and copy this, or you need to type Drv.tw is equal to your link to your Google Drive website, as I showed you before. Okay, so you just need to save it here. Okay, now you can see that it is added. Now what we need to do is to continue. Now what we need to do is to remove these name servers and add these Cloudflare name servers. So for that, we need to go to name servers as we before we use the default one, but now we need to use the custom one. To use these for our website, we need to copy this one, first one in the first, and second one in the second. Okay, this is the Nash. First one was Jammy. This is the Nash, and change the name servers. Okay, we are done. Changes are saved. Now done. Check our name servers. Configure your domain settings to improve security, optimize performance, and get the most from your account. Yeah, improve security, optimize. Okay, let's get started. Automatic HTTPS rewrites. Now this will allow the HTTPS security, and save this. Always use HTTPS on, save this, and auto minify the JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. Now what this will do, it will load your website faster than before. Okay, it compresses the size of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in your website. Okay, so save it. Okay, broadly speeds up the pages, and you basically it's make your website fast. Okay, now click the finish button, and I think we are done here. And if we go to our SSL, now you need to go to SSL TLS, and then fully strict your website. Okay, encrypted with fully protection, and SSL TLS recommended, turn it on. Pretty much what I'm doing, you have to do that. Okay, go to add certificates. Yeah, always use certificate on. Yeah, everything is good. Okay, and now here if we see there is no traffic, so let's refresh our website, or I'm just gonna type again, and we'll see it's not showing secure now, but it will be secure. It will take some time. I think will be secure. Check our name servers. Yeah, they're there. So it will be secure and good to go. Complete your name server setups. Wait a minute. Yeah, let's check the name servers. Cloudflare is now checking the name server for, please wait a few hours for an update. Okay, it will take few hours, and I think it will update us about that the name servers which we have put it here are change or not. Okay, so now it's contacting with the freenom actually. So we will check our website. So now let's check our website that if it is working or not. It took almost, I think, 24 hours, and I'm now checking it. That all the Cloudflare applications and SSL and security services are working on my free website and free domain, okay, which is hosted on Google Drive. So let's check it. Now, as you can see, I have opened up my Cloudflare, and when I click it, it's showing me the message that all the services are running in the background, and it's also showing me the analytics of my website and the total requests and all that stuff. So let's open up the website, and now you can see that it got the connection is secure. Yeah, now it is running on full security. The SSL certificates are installed successfully, and you can see this is our free domain from freenom. Before it had no security, but with the help of Cloudflare we got a free security. Okay, so now you can see here it's full strict mode, and SSL, TLS, all things are on, and HTTPS is on and everything. So this is all, guys, you can do and freely, and you can get and host your website on Google Drive for free, get a domain name for free, and you are good to go. I think this is probably helpful for students who are doing their projects and they don't have bucks to pay, and I don't know for the rest of you guys. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like this video. Okay, so this is Shariar signing out. Bye bye.